In the off season, you're getting enough carbohydrates, so you're going to be feeding bacteria already. But the problem is that you're only going to be feeding like select bacteria if you're really narrow on your food selection. And that's why
Yeah.
you hear this term like microbial diversity. It's going to require different types of FODMAPs, different types of fibers, resistant starches like maybe potatoes or oats and things can help. So it's not that you actually are not feeding bacteria by eating rice all the time. It's just that you're very narrowly
Yeah,
feeding bacteria.
specifically, which can also cause a form of dysbiosis. I remember you mentioning this, like most bodybuilders in the off season will create some form of overgrowth or dysbiosis, especially if you're doing the standard bodybuilding thing where you're eating these 5 bodybuilding foods. That's going to happen at some point.
You figure if you're automatically assume that you're probably gonna have some overgrowth, but if you had some diversity in the food, then at least everything overgrows. So
Yeah,
when you
exactly.
pull, it's like when you
Balance.
pull food back down, everything kind of will drop back down. Whereas if you only eat a select foods, then you're feeding that dysbiotic bacteria primarily, and then you got a whole nother problem.